What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, my brother's going to be eating Cinnamon Toast Crunch with Mountain Dew.
No, it's MTN.
Shut up.
Right now, if he eats this, I got to give him $40.
He likes it.
And he has to eat every last piece of Cinnamon Toast Crunch and drink every last drop of the Mountain Dew.
Dude, everybody can do that. Everybody loves Mountain Dew.
He's hesitating now. Don't shove your mouth. You have to swallow. Swallow.
No, just shove your mouth with it.
Swallow.
He swallowed it.
Alright, you need to leave a like if you think this is safe. My God. Jaden, you're gonna get type 9 billion diabetes from this. Oh my God. He's hesitating now. Alright, now Jaden might be a part of the regular channel, but we're gonna mostly do funny videos. Slurp and slurp. Better drink it. Tastes good, Jaden? Hurry up. Oh my God.
Oh, bro, it's almost done. Leave a like and make sure to subscribe. Hey, Chris, you gotta tell him to subscribe. You just said leave a like.
Leave a like and subscribe. Not that it'll make me mad or anything if you don't. Just, we do this mostly for fun, huh, Jaden?
Hmm?
And then he's gonna eat yellow snow after this. No, I'm just kidding.
I will if I get paid money.
Why won't you just do it for the fans?
I'm doing it for $80.
Bro, freaking Ninja
No.
Nick peed himself for the fans. And if you don't believe it, he did pee himself. You can ask Jaden. His pants were soaked.
After this, Jaden might pee himself for the fans.
He's like,
I ain't telling it.
It's looking bad.
Chris. Chris. No, it's nothing. Look. Now I'm going to slap you on the neck.
It's nothing.
Yeah, it is.
It's nothing.
Give me the back of your neck.
What's nothing?
This. Give me the back of your neck now. Jay, don't you know it? When the boys
Put the bowl down, Jaden.
he is ill.
Ew. Ew, Jaden.
We're in there.